Smart CNC drilling functionally dedicates to your process. Small footprint, higher performance with competitive price. 3.5 kilowatt spindle, upper drill with 10V plus 8H and 9V lower drill. Upper and lower drill coordinately works, leading to a higher efficiency. Side alignment ensures for a higher accuracy. Updated clamps with high rigidity, available for 4 sides routering. Feed in and out at front, 1 operator required saves manpower. The best of the best. For sets can put in 1 container saving freight cost.